Hey guys, what's going on? It's Liam back with the Young Investor, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of technical analysis on XRP Ripple, a cryptocurrency. So let's kind of look into what I have charted. This looks absolutely crazy, but I'm going to kind of just clear it up and try to make sense if you've never seen this kind of stuff before. But if you have, I guess this is kind of looking less crazy, and let's just kind of explain what I kind of see in the foreseeable future. Again, none of this is financial advice. I am a college student, so if you're taking my advice from a college student, you will make money like a college student. So, yeah, let's get into the video. So, anyways, what I see currently with XRP is we have had some serious volume, especially with Bitcoin. So, the way I have always liked to look at this chart in particular, or any of these altcoins, is you got to keep in mind that this is correlated to Bitcoin. There is a large correlation to the way this trends and Bitcoin. So, if you do look at Bitcoin, so actually, let's see if I can just put like an auto fib. Yeah, let's go put an auto fib on this. All right, cool. So if you look at like the Fibonacci actually on the 4 hour for Bitcoin, you're going to notice a lot of similarities. It's the exact same breakup. So that's the biggest thing we need to notice whenever we look at something like this. So let's kind of break down and look at Bitcoin more. So Bitcoin is, so yeah, it's going to be coming up to this upward resistance around this 18,180 level. And we're going to really want to break through this for the short-term bullishness of Bitcoin for XRP to continue this bullish trend. So XRP in particular, what do we need for it to happen? I have a lot of these purple lines drawn out. These are just kind of so I drew out support and resistances for a shorter time frame. I believe I had it on the hour. And a lot of these are going to start making more sense, yeah, when I pull it up on the hour. So basically we've been trading and we just broke through this wedge that we had forming. So we broke through the wedge and we exploded through the upside. And now where are we kind of looking for this movement? So I'm assuming we tried to touch it once today to break through 65 and we were unable to do it. So this actually looks to be a large area of resistance, this 65 mark to break to the upper 70s area. But so we're going to really want for the shorter term momentum to break through the 65 to see more momentum and a more bullish trend. But a big indication is we are actually now getting back to overbought on the RSI, which is an indication of a short-term pullback to be coming again. And it wouldn't kind of actually surprise me if we do see another pullback and back down to this channel or down onto this support at what is this level at 56. Yeah, I could see us actually going back down to 56 until we see some more momentum from Bitcoin pushing XRP higher. But I guess when you look at longer term, the longer term bias on this, and what do we actually see? Let's try to clear this whole chart. Uh, yeah, let's just clear this whole chart. Um, how do settings, drawings? All right. I'm just gonna pull up a clean chart for us. Let's just look at a different XRP chart because I believe XRP. This is the one by Bitstamp. Let's look at this one by Binance. All right. So, yeah, now pulling up this one, what do we kind of see the longer term trend, and especially with this Fibonacci. So, on the daily chart, we are really overbought. We, as indicated down, but I don't know if that pullback's going to happen yet. This has been the question. You know, if we're going to pull back. Now, I actually could see us, of course, that line is horribly not straight. I realized right after that I was drawing it, not using the actual line. Yeah, so like it actually wouldn't surprise me to see this maybe get close to $1 before maybe a bigger pullback, or I kind of see if Bitcoin tends to if we see Bitcoin continue on, I actually have the thought that this is probably going to go ape shit, uh, based upon the last cycle in 2018 around December. Uh, you know, it's it can be very parabolic. So I think the parabolic part of this can happen if Bitcoin continues on its trend upwards, but I just actually don't see crypto as a whole holding up into these levels unless we see a more continuous turn from Bitcoin. But that's not really my long-term thoughts on this. I actually do believe in the crypto market because, especially with up and coming potential monetary issues in our economy in the United States equity market with the recent actions by the Fed, it's more of a thought that this could potentially in the next you know coming decade become extremely important to the way we value currency. So what do I see short term? Like I said, I actually do see the potential of maybe it trying to re-break it as long as Bitcoin holds. But if not, I actually do see it probably breaking down and holding back around maybe the 40 level, or um, potentially back to the 56. We do have a lot of support around this 40 level, and then we have the majority of support actually down towards the 18 level. But so furthermore, what am I looking for? I'm just looking for a short-term trend. We are extremely bullish still looking at this chart. Look how this is just a great pattern. It looks as if this is a flag forming, and we're about to break through the upside, which is great. So anyways, short term, I may be bullish as long as Bitcoin continues the trend, but as long as Bitcoin doesn't continue the trend, I am actually going to be short term bearish. And then as far as the long term, I'm going to hold the bias that this could eventually really pick up once crypto becomes more popular and people aren't just buying it just to have it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video.